Here's what an average hunt looks like for me. First off, we have two little bucks come in. They're just moseying on around, doing this. Then bam, there's turkeys. So there's all kinds of noise going on, not knowing, what's going on. I thought there were deer everywhere, but then I saw those turkeys. Then these two little bucks, they're coming in. They were about 50 yards, but they were just little. And those turkeys were so loud. Don't know what they were doing so loud, but anyway, here comes the bucks. They're coming in a little closer, about a 30-yard shot, but not shooting them, not big enough. Then the turkeys, they come closer, they jack around for a while and whatnot, just being noisy. And then, of course, you got a squirrel. Squirrels are so loud, and so are the turkeys. And then, had a couple does come in. They, about 60 yards, they ended up coming close, but looking for a big buck. Got a little spooked there, I don't know what happened. But it ends up just moseying on. Oh boy. This little guy snuck up right behind me. Then this funky looking guy comes in. Once again, not big enough. He was checking out this doe on the back of the dam. Then I stood up to take a leak. I was taking a leak. Then I look up and this guy was out. Ended up taking the leak without him seeing me, and I sat back down. Then he just come out to the top of the dam and walked off. And that's going to wrap the hunt up.